You about to wash this, bro? You like the rear end of it or nah?
This is nice.
You think so?
When the fuck did you do that?
What? Do what? He's like, when did you do that? What are you talking about?
Let's see this monkey ass nigga's car. This nigga knows he likes it, bro. This nigga knows he likes it. He's
It goes too crazy.
whoa, hey, stop it, dude. That nigga. I already know.
Y'all like it, bro.
I know this nigga swears he doesn't like it. He swears he doesn't like it, huh?
Nah, I'm actually not. Did you even put the one where I grabbed that shit for like a minute?
I know, that's nasty, bro.
That's funny, though.
Oh, hell no.
That shit was funny. Oh, hell no.
That shit was funny.
That's what you get. That's actually what you get.
Windows tinted, so no more fishbowl. Main reason why is because right now I'll be parking outside, so like the sun damage is going everywhere. But eventually when we have our own space, I'm gonna probably take the tint off and just put some clear back on. But for now, you'll see. I don't know how dark I'm gonna go, so you'll end up seeing right now. We're leaving the car. Hopefully the tint comes out nice, bro. Hopefully the tint comes out nice. Last little look for y'all. I'm inside the car right now because they're right there. It's kind of awkward, I'm not gonna lie, but hey, your boys hella close, bruh. I know, Donovan, watch out. What? This nigga's hella close. Come get your man. Ew, I remember I was rewatching the video of the 24 hours in the garage, and then when you went like this to Misa, I was like, oh hell no. I was like, oh hell no. I didn't see that until I was editing it too. I was like, oh hell no. That shit was fucking, oh no, I don't know. That one was a little too extra. Oh, and then every time I watch the fucking, the one we just posted, when he carries you like this,
Oh, hell no.
that shit makes me laugh, bro.
I know, me too. When you say, that's cringe to the max.
It was, bro, it is. Oh, hello?
This is broke over there, nigga.
God, am I stupid?
I was like, wait,
That's broken? That's not on?
No, look,
that one.
You stupid.
For your drink?
orange juice?
We actually don't have orange juice right now.
God damn it. Do you guys have apple juice?
Yeah.
Is it like just come on a little like carton? Is it the Honest Kids?
Yeah, it's a juice box.
Oh hell no, it's the Honest Kids, huh? Oh, never mind. Let me get let me get the big breakfast with hotcakes. Wait, what are hotcakes?
You stupid.
What else you have to drink?
Well, we have Powerade, Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Orange Fanta, Dr. Pepper, High C Orange.
She's about to get supper. Diet Pepsi with fucking pancakes. Or you hear you?
We have iced coffee.
Oh shit. Oh, I don't know.
The smoothies.
Nah, I'll go to Safeway right now.
Alright.
I'll just get the big breakfast.
Anything else?
What are you guys getting? All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
God damn it.
Not yet, bro.
I already got her number, so don't even trip, boys.
You stupid.
What's up, boys? Got my tint done. It actually looks really good. Let me show you guys real quick. I don't know if you guys can even tell on the video though, but I tinted the windshield, tinted the back windows. Everything's tinted. I went 35% on the front, all the front three, and then 20% in the back. I didn't want it too dark, but I did want like a little, like, I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but it's like a little bit dark, not too much. last little look for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys have gone darker or the same? Yo, it actually looks pretty good, and it's somewhat dark, so like I still got my privacy or whatever. But I mean, I like it. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. If I had a daily and I wasn't tripping about getting pulled over, like I would go darker. I would probably do like, I would probably not to go too dark, so I'd do 5% in the back and then like 20 in the rest of the fronts. But since I don't want to be getting pulled over or nothing, I don't even think I'll be getting pulled over or like any state refs or nothing. Knock on shift boot, knock on shift boot. But just in case, you know. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I fuck with it though. I fuck with it. But I haven't driven at night, so I mean, I know I'm not gonna have trouble looking out, but I'm not used to having the windshield tinted, so we'll see what that looks like. Nah, don't even look at that. All right, boys, we already did what? Wait, let me see the things, Misa. I'll show you guys the tint tomorrow because they didn't do the windshield, so I have to wait till tomorrow. But right now we're gonna be finally Misa's gonna be doing something to his car, which he's pretty excited for.
Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah.
Because after this,
I feel like we're gonna be able to do a bunch of more stuff that you guys will see. Future plans.
That's why he put his new shirt on, just because he's so excited. But hold on, let me see what you got.
Oh, look.
Yeah, well, good thing I don't.
Don't worry about this. I didn't fuck with my car. I'm just. If you know, you know.
Just wait on it. There's a lot of things.
Shout out to Daytona one. They hooked me up with some spacers, some engine spacers. Hopefully these will rise up the engine a little bit more, so the oil the oil pan doesn't scrape on the bottom, and hopefully the transmission doesn't either with these little fucking piece of shits.
So it's a simple install, just some spacers. So nothing too crazy. This is a setup for something crazy though.
Yes,
all right, let's go. I look like a fucking retard like this. Sus. This nigga's backing me his car. Where you guys going? Ah, that shit fucking hurts me, nigga. Where you guys going?
We're gonna
get the tools. You wanna know the story behind Steve? Huh. I bought it for a girl, and it was Valentine's Day, so it had Steve had a heart. Oh yeah, I think you told me. Yeah, and I cut it off, but I kept Steve. Oh, that's why he like. Yeah, that's why he used to be holding the heart, but I cut the heart off, and then she cut my heart off. I cut Steve's heart. I don't know. Yeah, that's where I got it from. That's for you guys too.
That I gave to a girl once too. I cut the heart off.
But you know, I'm not holding on to Steve because I'm holding on to like the girl, but it's just because Steve's my boy. Really? Yeah. Engine spacers invoice right here. It's actually pretty smooth. Misa's doing his side over here. We're almost done. And then we just gotta do the transmission one, and we're chilling. What?
Hell no. This nigga tried to throw a piece of trash in the garbage can, and it flew away.
We made it to San Francisco, boys.
Cool ass mall.
Just for the 4D experience of The Quiet Place Part 2.
Yes, sir. Hey, appreciate. You kind of look like OG.
Fit. We gotta check his fit out first. Hey, we need to figure out the seats. What? Oh wait, what seats? Or does it matter?
Oh, so this nigga can. Hey, you're fucking in the back, but you actually can do it. The fucking social distancing.
What?
He's like,
This chair right there, huh? Bro,
Country?
movie barely finished and these fools.
Where you going down with?
These fools barely don't even want to wait. Let's go. Imagine the fool just breaks in through here. Oh, how the fuck did we actually leave?
Weak as fuck. We went down the other side. I actually don't know how to.
Let's go this way then.
Go get the car.
We don't know how to get to the car. Ah! What if zombies start coming?
I'm gone.
No, I don't know.
Swim real quick. And then we'll leave it.
Look at all these speed bumps, bro.
Gosh, that was great.
Bro, this shit looks so creepy. 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 Yeah.
With the drone? God damn.
Hey, don't play.
They just had a crampy for her. That would be outside though.
Yeah, it does feel nice out here, but...
Fuck, we even talking.
Hell yeah. No, but we've been fucking standing in the sun and shit.
Yeah, son. We've been inside all day, bro.
No, I'm talking about like morning.
Oh,
Morning,
yeah.
Midday.
That's true.
I wish the movie would have been longer.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, it felt hella short.
It did feel short, but it was good. I liked it. It was a good movie.
Hopefully the Conjuring's longer.
Conjuring's probably... It's gonna be scary.
Whoa.
Because this one wasn't that scary. I mean, that one jump scare that did get me.
Which one?
The what?
Girl?
That one, yeah, that one. And there's
ugly. I thought she was a zombie.
yeah.
But it was just a crack bitch. Like they're cracked out or some shit.
No, there's another one that scared too, but I don't remember.
The one in the beginning?
Which one? The birds.
When they're in the train?
Oh yeah, when
Yeah, the
girl
bird.
was in the train?
Yeah. But I think there's another one too, but I don't remember.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't remember any other
Do a
one.
kill count? How sick.
What?
I'm gonna watch that video when it comes out too.
Hell no.
Dead
meat?
Yeah, dead meat kill count. That's how I saw the first one. Look it up, Misa. Just search up A Quiet Place kill count.
Oh, no.
Every dead body.
And that's actually entertaining. And he explains the whole thing.
I'll be watching random movies I didn't watch.
That's how I watch. Yeah, I know. That's how I watch scary movies. Because then he's talking, so it's not as scary. Look, you can't see on the camera, but look.
It looks kind of scary.
Nigga, I'm pretty sure.
And look, now you can see way more. Life hacks. Look. Look. That's not even that dark though.
I'm pretty sure we were supposed to go over here, and we were all the way over here.
So we just gotta walk around it like this?
Yes.
You think you'd be able to survive in the quiet place?
Maybe.
You hella loud.
No, not even.
And actually daughter bitch hella loud too.
You laugh?
Huh?
Wait, what you say?
Would you be able to survive in the quiet place?
Nah,
like if you were in
Probably
there?
not, because I want to fix my car.
Oh, hell
Hell
no.
nah.
I mean, your car's not even loud, so you'd be chilling.
Not bad.
This nigga was talking the whole time, bro.
Who?
You?
Yeah, facts.
Yeah. Huh? Damn. You were talking, you were like...
The whole movie, almost. Every time something happened.
Yeah, I thought that. Doesn't it make me mad?
Me? Yeah. Why? Huh? Oh, hell no. Yeah, dude. What you tripping for? The monster already killed us because look, Misa sucks at opening more doors. Look, the monster's literally coming right now. Barely.
Dead already because we're fucking starting up the car.
And then Misa takes 10 minutes to start up the car.
You stupid.